Good afternoon, my dear students and respected teachers. Essential moral values towards a healthy living. Actually, I won't stick to the very topic, but rather than I will deal with the dilemma of a student in today's time about moral values and healthy living. So the very existence of human race in this present-day civilized world is woven around several traits which all of us seek in our pursuit of excellence or simply living our lives. Of these several threads of civilized existence, like humanity, charity, brotherhood, self-respect, patriotism, divinity, sincerity, loyalty, morality, and so on. Morality of all these good traits in life has taken a backseat. Reason is simple. In this fiercely competitive and materialistic world, we have come to misunderstand morality as a weakness rather than an asset. But this is an entirely wrong notion which has led us to current dilemma where we openly support people like Anna Hazare but afraid to follow the same morals that Anna Hazare taught us in our own life. If we go only a few decades in the past, we will see that strong moral values always strengthens one's inner self to help us with the difficult times in life and our own insecurities. For example, if you study hard for one specific very important test, if you study hard for a particular very important test and get good marks, the level of self-satisfaction is beyond any prize or even good marks have you cheated in that particular test. Take my word for it. Delivering this lecture in front of you, being a member of BNC of the same school I was tutored in, and even being asked to give a small prize to you students, has come to me as one of the greatest rewards for my own pursuit of excellence in life. I will give you one more example. Even the most corrupt, most greedy, most dishonest and unscrupulous man, when they appoint or hire any staff or colleague for themselves, the first qualities they seek is honesty, loyalty and good moral character. वो कहते हैं ना, बेईमान से बेईमान आदमी भी साथी ईमानदार चाहता है. दोस्त आप बनाओगे, कभी नहीं चाहोगे कि बेईमान दोस्त बनाओ जो आपसे चीट करे. तो खुद आप कितने बेईमान हो, कितने ईमानदार हो किसी रिश्ते के प्रति आप नहीं सोचते, लेकिन साथी ईमानदार चाहते हैं. Next comes, would you allow your own sister, I will ask a question to you, would you allow your own sister to marry a man who had charges of eve-teasing or shady morals? I think no. Would you allow women on your family to be escorted by a known bad character? The answer is again a big no. Why? बेईमान से बेईमान आदमी भी साथी ईमानदार चाहता है. But again, having good moral values does not mean that we cannot be friends with girls or boys of our own age or class. Yes, you can, but the reason should be pure and no relationship, mind it, no relationship can last if its foundation is dishonesty, lie or cheating. Even my own teachers are teaching you in this school. So I shouldn't be saying more about all these things, but I have made some cardinal rules to a good life. I would like to share those few rules or tips with you. First, do not cheat your own self. Never cheat your own self. Ask your conscience right or wrong, and so you are your best judge. Expect the same you give to others. वो मेरा अच्छा दोस्त है, मैं उसका काम चलाऊ दोस्त हूँ, या मैं तो उससे सिर्फ मतलब की दोस्ती कर रहा हूँ, वो मेरे लिए सब कुछ करेगा. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Most of the times, people reciprocate good things you have done or even thought of them. Be simple and be frank. गांठें मत डालो मन में. Don't judge other people. Let them create their own impression on you and the people around you. Do not cheat on friends. Try to keep your word if you have promised. Fulfill it. Intelligent और एक और बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट, मैं एक्चुअली अलग से इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ कि लेक्चर की तरह ना लीजिए इसे. एक बात बताता हूँ आपको. I was a very intelligent student in my own time, but what I lacked was little hard work. तो मेरे टीचर्स यहाँ पे जो मौजूद होंगे वो आप उनसे पूछेंगे कभी. What I lacked was hard work. So मैं आपको एक बात बताता हूँ. Intelligence can get you places. Intelligence can get you places means आप बहुत जगह पहुँच सकते हो, बहुत ऊंचाई तक पहुँच सकते हो. But hard work and hard work alone can get you anywhere.